How to create progress bar animation in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click in the media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Set duration to 2 seconds and frame rate to 30 and click Create. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Add a background node and a rectangle node and connect them to each other and to Media Out. Select the background and change its color to white. Select the rectangle, adjust its size to have something like mine, and drag it to the left side of the viewer. Select background node, press Shift plus space, search for duplicate, and add it after background node. Set number of copies to 10 and increase center X a little bit. Select rectangle, background, and duplicate nodes and press Ctrl plus C to copy them. Click anywhere empty to deselect everything and press Ctrl plus V to paste them. Connect the output of duplicated duplicate node to the output of the first duplicate to merge them. Select the background and change its color. Select the duplicate rectangle and move the playhead to the start. Set level to 0 and click on diamond button next to it to add a starting keyframe. Move the playhead only one frame forward and set level to 1 to add another keyframe. Select the duplicate node and change time offset to -1. Now we have this animation which only lasts 10 frames. We can use a keyframe stretcher node so the animation lasts for the entire length of the composition. Select the duplicate node, press Shift plus space, search for keyframe stretcher, and add it. Set source start to 0 and source end to 11, and put 0 and 11 into stretch start and end text boxes as well. Select the duplicate node, search for soft glow, and add it. Change values to your liking. Now go back to edit page and drag the composition into timeline. The good thing about this is that you can change its duration, and it's still working fine.